Alright, next up on Zach's Fan Hour, we have this clapped out Eskimo. Care to tell the story?
Basically all I can tell you is it was one of my first fans. I found it in a junkyard and I was like 6 years old.
Oh.
I think it was around that time.
And
unfortunately, I let it, sit in an area where it got to the elements a little bit, obviously, and well, it's like this at the moment.
It's clapped out. I have this exact fan, I think. It's the Model 12 105. 3-speed. Handles. It's got no handle.
It was like that when I got it. Never had a handle.
Yeah, it's the same motor as mine, too. It's all dinged up on this side.
It was also like that when I got it.
Let's see what she does, I guess. Started off on high. Definitely needs oiled. What are we drawing here? 76, 75.6, 121 volts, or watts. 0.95 amps. There we go. There we take it to medium. The grill's just kind of flapping in the breeze here. Now it's just kind of there. It's held on with hopes and prayers. It actually runs better on medium. Whoa. I bet you this is where it'll squeal. If it does. Actually surprisingly runs fairly well. 4.48 amps, 41 watts. It runs about as good as it looks. Whoa now. We'll just take that off. And OFF spells off. I bet you the coast down here. Oh, there it goes. That's about how well my life's going.
No, but like, now imagine that sound, but it does it at full speed.
Oh,
it
God.
used to scream. Like if it's cold, then it will sometimes do.
Yeah, it's a good project, I guess. Find some paint and oil the motor. It actually might be a pretty good fan again. Well, there's
at least have it like a beater fan.
a clapped out Eskimo. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.